For professional quality and high durability, the AKDY kitchen sink has modern looks made with commercial-grade brushed stainless steel. This top-mount sink fits nicely into homes with modern and contemporary decor. The kitchen sink has a full basin with the ability to support the included adjustable tray and cutting board, utilizing the double ledge that runs along the sink. The adjustable tray is perfect for keeping all your washed utensils. The cutting board is helpful in prepping various cooking items and ingredients. The drain is located on the top center of the basin, has a size of 3.5 inches. Insulating rubber is installed on the bottom of the sink to keep vibrations and loud sounds at bay for a better experience. The luxury single bowl measures 30 inches length, 22 inches width, and 9 inches depth. Large rectangular basin offers maximum volume for soaking pots and pans. All hardware needed for installation is included. Thank you for watching. AKDY, let your home do more.